Now I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Hi, this is Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and in this lesson, how to play I'm Yours by Jason Mraz. I'm Yours by Jason Mraz is a classic pop song in the four-chord pachelbel tradition as defined by comedian Rob Paravonian, and best demonstrated by the Axis of Awesome. You can find the YouTube links below. The chords, as Jason Mraz plays it, are B major. You're going to bar across the 7th fret. Middle finger goes on the 3rd string, 1st fret up. Ring finger goes on the 5th string, 2nd fret up, the 9th fret. And the pinky crowds behind it on the 4th string. F sharp, bar across the 9th fret, muting the 6th string with the tip of your finger. And my ring finger is the right size to play these 3 notes, 2, 3, and 4th string on the 11th fret and still have that ring. Usually you can do this and just leave out that high note and it sounds fine. A flat minor, in Mr. Mraz's version, he has a cutaway, same as I do, so you can put your 1st finger on the 11th fret, your middle finger on the 2nd string, 12th fret, your ring finger, 4th string, 13th fret, and your pinky on the 3rd string, 13th fret. Play 5 strings. If you don't have a cutaway, it can be kind of difficult to get your hand this high up the neck, so you can play it on the 4th fret, bar all the way across the 4th fret with your 1st finger, and then your middle finger hangs, don't flip off the audience. Ring finger goes on the 6th fret, 5th string, pinky crowds behind it and goes on the 5th string, 6th fret. There's one more very interesting chord that happens at the end of the 2nd verse and at the end of the scat section. It's an F half diminished. It's written F minor 7 with a flatted 5 in the chart because I don't know how to make a little circle with a slash through it. It's a cool way to go from the E chord back to the B, a little unexpected side trip on the way home. And we're going to finger it like this. 8th fret, 5th string, we're not going to play the E string. 8th fret, 5th string, 9th fret, for the 4th string, and then I lay my 1st finger down, since we're playing so many bar chords in this, and play the 3rd string on the 8th fret, and then use this finger, my ring finger, to get the 2nd string, 9th fret. So I won't hesitate. The rhythm pattern that you're going to want to use for this is almost a reggae sort of thing. You're going to hit the bass notes on the 1 and 3, and then kind of down up on the high notes on 2 and 4. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 2 and 3, 4. And what I'm strumming is the root note on the B. It's going to be the low E string, the 6th string. Every now and then I hit the up 2, but the main thing is to have the down on that 1. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and then when you go to the F or the E chord, F sharp. Then when you go to the F sharp or the E chord, you're going to hit the 5th string. And if you've got the 6th string muted, you can just This has been Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been How to Play I'm Yours by Jason Mraz. Thank you for watching.